Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be doing colored scrunchies. Pick what slime I make. Here are all the scrunchies I have. I'm really hoping when I pick my scrunchies that I get a good color, but it really just depends. I didn't really want to just make a plain white slime, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the plain white slime, but I'm going to pick another scrunchie, and that scrunchie is going to be what color topping I'm going to put on top of the slime. Here are the two scrunchies that I picked out. To make my plain white slime, I'm going to start off by pouring in some Elmer's white school glue. Then I'm going to add some lotion and conditioner. To activate my slime, I'm going to be using a mixture of a half a teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of warm water. Here's the white slime. I loved how thick it was and the bubble pops were very nice. Now it's time to choose what toppings I'm going to be putting on top of my slime. I have this really big pack of glitters, and I thought this would be perfect, and I came across these little tiny mini purple balls, and I thought it would be super cool to put them on top of my slime. I'm also going to add a couple of white foam beads on the top. Here is the finished slime. I just love the white foam beads and the mini purple beads on top. They just look so cute together. As you can see, we had the white base for the white scrunchie and the mini purple beads for the purple scrunchie. Here are the two scrunchies, so the base of the slime will be a brown base and the toppings will be silver or gray. I'm going to repeat the exact same steps I used for my white slime to make my brown slime. For the toppings for this slime, I'm thinking about putting some silver glitter on top. I'm also thinking about putting some fishbowl beads in and some slushy beads. And I found some super cute silver stars. So here are all the toppings I'm going to be putting on my slime. First, I'm going to be putting the silver stars on, and then I have my silver glitter, and I have the slushy beads and the fishbowl beads. Here is the finished slime. I love it so much. It's so sparkly and glittery. As you can see, for the brown scrunchie, we have the brown base, and for the silver scrunchie / gray scrunchie, we have the silver topping. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you love slime and scrunchies. Thanks for watching.